Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a beginner's guide to everyday makeup that you can do in just 3 minutes. Whether you're new to makeup or just looking for a quick and easy routine, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, always start with a clean and moisturized face. This is crucial because it gives you a smooth canvas to work with and helps your makeup last longer. A well-moisturized face ensures that your makeup goes on evenly and looks flawless. Now, grab a lightweight BB cream or tinted moisturizer. These products are great because they provide light coverage and hydration at the same time. Use your fingers or a makeup sponge to blend it evenly across your face. Make sure to blend it well into your hairline and jawline for a seamless look. This step will even out your skin tone and give you a natural, dewy look. Next, let's talk concealer. Apply concealer under your eyes to cover dark circles and on any blemishes or redness you want to hide. This will brighten up your face and make you look more awake. Remember, a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of product to achieve good coverage. Blend it in gently with your ring finger or a small brush. The warmth of your finger helps to melt the product into your skin for a natural finish. Time for some color. A cream blush is perfect for beginners because it's easy to apply and blend. Plus, it gives a lovely, natural flush to your cheeks. Smile and dab a small amount onto the apples of your cheeks. This is where you naturally blush, so it will look the most natural. Blend upwards towards your temples for a natural flush. This technique lifts your face and gives you a youthful glow. On to the eyebrows. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas. Well-groomed eyebrows frame your face and make a big difference in your overall look. Go with light, feathery strokes to keep it looking natural. Avoid harsh lines for a softer, more natural appearance. Brush through with a spoolie to blend the color and tame any stray hairs. This step ensures that your brows look polished and well-defined. For the eyes, keep it simple. You don't need a lot of products to make your eyes stand out. Use a neutral eyeshadow shade all over your lid. This creates a base and evens out any discoloration on your eyelids. Then, take a slightly darker shade and blend it into your crease for a bit of depth. This adds dimension to your eyes without being too dramatic. Curl your lashes and apply a coat of mascara. This step is essential for making your eyes look bigger and more awake. This will open up your eyes and make them pop. Don't forget to wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes for extra volume. Now, let's finish off with the lips. A tinted lip balm or a sheer lipstick is perfect for everyday wear. It adds a hint of color without being too bold. Plus, it keeps your lips hydrated and looking fresh. Just swipe it on and you're good to go. It's quick, easy, and perfect for any occasion. And there you have it, a quick and simple everyday makeup routine that's perfect for beginners. With just a few products and a little bit of time, you can achieve a fresh and polished look. A quick and simple everyday makeup routine that's perfect for beginners. Practice makes perfect, so give it a try, and soon you'll have it down to a science. Practice makes perfect, so give it a try, and soon you'll have it down to a science. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your makeup skills. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.